show you my veneers and, like I said, how everything looks. Been a great experience so far. So comes in like this. All right, so these are for the bottom. You click in, you hear a pop. It means they're in place. That's the bottom one. Great. Okay. These are the top ones. You see, nice 3D molding, kind of goes in between your teeth, and this is a game changer. So this is the top one. Click in, as you see, they fit perfect. Big difference. It's been a few days and got a lot of great reviews from everybody, both my family, customers and stuff like that. So I appreciate everything you guys do. Love you guys. Thank you so much.